This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create multiple maps in one sheet in Tableau. Whether you're a data analyst or just someone looking to spice up your presentations, knowing how to efficiently use Tableau's mapping features can be a game changer. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to tableau.com. This is where you can access all your Tableau resources and tools. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your recent workbooks. If you haven't used Tableau before, you might need to download and install the software on your machine. Once you're set up, log in and navigate to the Recent section. This is your starting point where you can find projects you've recently worked on, making it easy to dive back into your work. Once you're in the Tableau workspace, take a look at the Table section on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll have your data fields listed for easy access. Find the field labeled State and drag it to the Details section in your worksheet. This action tells Tableau that you want to explore the data at the state level, which is crucial for creating map visualizations. Next, you'll want to enhance your map with some additional context. Drag the country field and drop it into the label section. What this does is it overlays country names on your map, helping to provide more geographical context at a glance. It's especially useful if your data spans across multiple countries, helping viewers immediately understand the scope of your visualization. Now, let's add some color to your map by dragging the sales field into the color section. This step is where your map really starts to come alive. By coloring the map based on sales data, you can quickly identify regions with higher or lower sales performance. This visual cue helps in drawing attention to areas that might need further analysis or that are performing exceptionally well. For the next step, we're going to set the stage for your map by specifying the geographical location on the canvas. In the columns section, add longitude, and in the rows section, add latitude. These fields are crucial as they define the spatial location of your data points on the map. Without these, Tableau wouldn't know where to place each data point geographically, so make sure to include them for accurate mapping. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created multiple maps in one sheet in Tableau. This powerful feature allows you to compare different maps side by side, making it easier to analyze spatial data. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different data sets and configurations to see what insights you can uncover. If you have questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to consult Tableau's comprehensive help guides or community forums. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Tableau effectively. Happy mapping!